Hello, my name is Robert O'Toole. I'm a Senior Academic Technologist at Warwick, and this short video is about how to create and award digital open badges in Moodle 3. So it's relevant to anybody using Warwick's central Moodle system, and the details are correct as of August 2016, but it will be of interest to people using other Moodle systems elsewhere and in general people using open badges or thinking about using open badges. If you're not yet sure about what digital open badges are, how they can be used in teaching, and how students can use them, we have another video to accompany this called Digital Badges. What are they and how can you use them? We'll have a link to that at the end of this video. You can set up badges in any course that you have editing or admin permissions on. On the course homepage, scroll down to Administration and find the Badges section and click on Badges. You can then click on the link to add a new badge. There is then a simple form to fill in and a way of uploading a badge image to your course. So let's create the badge and move on to the next lot of settings we need to specify. Criteria are the things that need to happen either in Moodle or manually by a teacher in order for the person to receive the badge. The criteria can be manual by an actual person or automated through course completion or activity completion in Moodle. Choose from all of the standard Moodle roles apart from student. You can set it so that all of those people need to agree and award the badge. This is another important way of explaining to the student what they've achieved and how they can use that achievement and where it might lead next. So I'm going to make this live and test out awarding the badge. I'm on the course participant list, so I'll just test this out by awarding it to myself. So that's done. I don't need to do anything else. If I go to the course homepage, I'll see that I've been awarded that badge. Now let's have a look at how you can add some automated criteria to a badge. This is an example that's live at the moment, the DigiChamps Moodle site, and there are 4 badges available as part of this. The very first one, DigiChamps Ready, is awarded automatically. Students have to complete a series of activities. So the activities are simply reading, looking at a series of pages, so all of the pages you can see there, and completing with 100% the quiz. So they are conventional Moodle activities. It's possible in Moodle to specify that completing a page counts as completing an activity. And of course a quiz is an activity in itself, and you can specify the completion criteria, including a specified grade that's required. So if we now have a look at how that links to the badge, we have those activities already set up in Moodle. If we scroll down to badges in administration again and manage badges, and we can see a badge that we've got active there called DigiChamps Ready. It's that one that has that complicated set of requirements. Students looking at all those pages and doing the quiz. If we now go to click on edits, we can't change any of this because the badge is live, but we can have a look at the criteria. I'll just demonstrate how to turn an activity into a criteria. So we have a quiz there called Demo Quiz. Let's turn editing on, and you can see that there's no completion criteria set for Demo Quiz. There's no tick box next to it. So if we go to Edit, Settings, and scroll down to the bottom of that very complicated page, we can see activity completion. At the moment it's set to do not indicate activity completion, which is why there was no tick box. If we change that, we could say students can manually mark the activity as completed. There's also an option there to require viewers, so if that's the only criteria, the student looks at the page and it's automatically marked as complete. Or we can show activity as complete when conditions are met. So let's select that one. In this case it's a quiz. Obviously they've got to view the page. Require the grade. Yep, we want to require a grade, and let's require a passing grade. So I've already set a passing grade on that quiz as part of the quiz. And then save and return to the course. And we can see now that there's a tick checkbox next to Demo Quiz, which means it's got criteria set on it. So very quickly, let's create a new badge and add passing Demo Quiz as the criteria. Same as before, add a new badge. Just going to quickly create that new badge as before. Okay, so it's not live yet. We can add criteria. Activity completion. And here we can see the activities in this course that have criteria, that have completion criteria set on them. And I can choose that to get this badge, the student has to complete the quiz, which means they have to achieve the specified grade in that quiz. Remember, we said that earlier. So there's an option to award the badge when any one of the selected activities is completed, or all of the selected activities. So if I select those pages as well, the student's got to do all of those things. And you can set dates on there so that the student has to complete them by a certain date. Well, let's save that now. And we can enable access to that badge. And anybody who completes those criteria gets the badge automatically. Thank you for listening to this, and I'll remind you that we have another video online that explains more about what badges are and how they can be used in teaching and by students. That includes information about how students can show off their badges and collections of badges that they've been awarded to the outside world.